Hey, it's JC, PhantomNet Software, back again for video 3 to demonstrate to you the email message and attachment bombing system and feature that's included with ProBomber. In here, we type our email that we're going to use to bomb with. Like I said before in the SMS bomber, that you can just make up an email. This supports 3 different providers. I'm using Gmail, so I will set mine to Gmail. And here's the subject of the email message you want to send, and this is the actual message. Over here is where you put your target email of the person you want to bomb. Down here we set how many times we want it to send. And we start bombing. As you can see, the progress bar is moving, and also as you can see, the inbox is filling here on my test inbox. And there we go. It sent all these messages in just that short little bit of time, 50 messages. As you can see, the subject is bombed and blah blah blah, just like we set it to be in each of the messages. So we'll delete these. We'll come back and show you that you can add attachments. You can spam and bomb pictures, whatever you'd like to bomb, files, MP3s, anything you can send through an email attachment you can send with this. And we'll start the bombing, and you'll soon see here that we're sending an attachment as the bomb as well. There we go. Bombed with the attachment, as you can see on each of them. Progress bar is progressing, and we're almost at 50. And there we go, 50 messages with the attachment attached to it, which is our picture. Blow up the picture so it loads for a second, and there we go, that's our attachment. And as you can see, the attachment is connected to each and every bomb email that we sent, as well as our subject bombed. And at the bottom there are GRR, our growling. And we can clear that list. And I'll show you a little something different here. We're going to put bombed into the message. And we're going to leave the subject blank and check this up here instead to use a random message subject each time. This as well gets bypassed some of the spam protectors and stuff like that, because each subject will have its own unique name to it, so it doesn't think it's the same message being sent over and over and over again. As you can see, each one has a different subject title, which makes each and every message unique, which bypasses a lot of duplicate and spam protectors. Again, this is a unique feature to ProBomber. A lot of other bombers don't have this feature and end up just getting canned by the spam protection or some kind of email protection against bombing and stuff like that. But with these built-in features, as you can see here, we can change not just the message, but the message title and the message as well using these options. As you see, now we have a random message and a random subject. Random message, random subject. Over and over, each one of them has a different unique email. We can also send more than one attachment if you want to connect multiple attachments. Like I said, you can attach anything you can in a normal email to this. For this example, I'm going to put 3 pictures in as attachments. Picture 1, picture 2, and picture 3. And I'll leave those checked so I don't have to fill out any of this information. Oops. We got an error there because I didn't set the host. Always make sure you set the host Usually if you get an error, it's because of something simple like that, or you might have misspelled something in the email or password. Or just double check all your credentials if you do get an error, because that's usually what it is. We'll go ahead and let this finish bombing. And there's our 50 emails. And as you see, when we open them up, all 3 pictures are attached to each email. And of course our unique message and our unique subject with each message and all of the attachments that we attached for the bombing.